hinge repair, and deep cleaning on AsusTUF Gaming FX504 laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Warren, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The AsusTUF Gaming FX504 laptop underwent a complete hinge repair and deep cleaning service to restore its durability, usability, and overall performance. As a gaming laptop that is frequently opened and closed, the hinge mechanism is prone to wear and stress over time, combined with natural dust buildup inside the system. These issues can lead to both physical and performance-related problems if not addressed properly. The first part of the service involved repairing the damaged hinge. The laptop's hinge had developed signs of looseness and stiffness, which caused difficulty in opening and closing the display. In some cases, this type of damage can also strain the surrounding plastic casing or place pressure on the internal display cable. To address the issue, the laptop was carefully disassembled to access the hinge assembly. The loose or damaged hinge screws and fittings were tightened or replaced as needed, and structural reinforcement was performed to restore proper alignment and stability. After repair, the hinge was tested repeatedly to ensure that the screen opened and closed smoothly without resistance or undue stress on the casing. The second stage of the service was the deep cleaning procedure. Over time, dust and debris had built up inside the AsusTUF Gaming FX504, particularly around the fans, vents, and heat sink. This buildup restricted airflow, leading to higher operating temperatures and noisier fan performance. To resolve this, the laptop was fully disassembled and internal components were carefully cleaned using anti-static brushes, compressed air, and other professional tools. The cooling system, including the dual fans and heat sink, was given special attention to restore optimal airflow. Additionally, the old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU was removed and replaced with fresh, high-quality thermal compound to improve heat transfer and cooling efficiency. Following the completion of both hinge repair and deep cleaning, the laptop was reassembled and tested thoroughly. The hinge was restored to a stable and durable condition, ensuring smooth opening and closing of the display, while the deep cleaning significantly reduced system temperatures, improved airflow, and minimized fan noise. Together, these procedures not only resolve immediate issues, but also help prevent future damage and overheating-related problems. Hinge repair and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.